Hi, welcome once again to another time of tool studying. This is DHL Online Tutorial. My name is Daniel Libet. Nice having you on this channel. We started this topic for quite some time now, and I've treated Series 1, Series 2, and this is Series 3. So this Series 3 is more of questions on logarithm. We are picking questions at random, solving questions, different questions, both WAEC, JAMB, questions like that, and which will also lead us to Series 4. So if you've not watched the first one, I advise you go down to the channel, check for the other video, you check the description section below, you will see the link of the first, second day. So here we have this question. We have log 4 to base 10 plus log 25 to base 10. So what do we do here? This logarithm question is under the law. The law we are going to part of the when we discuss the laws of logarithm. What we keep to this place here now is the fact that we are having plus here. That means in the law says that plus addition will become what? Will become subtraction. And if this is your first time chilling to this channel, kindly subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. So let's continue. So I'm going to keep to this law now. The law says since the base are the same, then I'm going to multiply the log. So log 4 times 25 to the base of what? 10. The logs are the same. Since the base are the same, so base of 10. So the next thing I will do here is log 4 times 25 is 100 to the base of 10. So I'll then sort out for this, which is giving me equal to x. I explained this in the second series. So I'm having 10 to the power of x equal to 100. So this now 110 to the power of x equal to, I look for in how many places will I multiply 10 to give me 100? That is 10 to the power of 2, because we have 10 times 10 will give us 100. So this and this are the same, then x is equal to 2. So our answer here is s is equal to 2. So let's pick another question and solve. So the next one we have let's pick another question 2, and this is question 3. So this question 2 support the law of subtraction, which is the second law of logarithm. And just to remind you, if you're watching and you've not subscribed, do that now. So what we do here, since we're having the same base, so we say log 28, and the subtraction law says subtraction becomes what? Division. So log 28 divided by 14 to the base of 4. So I'm having what here? I'm having at this point now, if you look at it very well, what am I having here? I'm having 14 here, 1, 14 here is what? Is 2. So therefore, I'm having log 2 to this. So the next thing now I'm going to do here, if you look at this place very well, so the next thing we do here is, since we are having this, we solve just the way we did the first one. So we say log, this is equal to what? X. Since we don't know what will be what will be to the raise of this raised to power 4. So we say log x equal to x rather. So this is 4 to the power of s equal to 2 to the power of 1. Yes, because nothing is there. So we bring this 4 to the base of this 2 here. So 2 to the power of 2, and we have x outside, 2 to the power of 1. So therefore it becomes 2 to the power of 2x equal to 2 to the power of 1. This and this are the same. So we have 2x equal to what? 1. Divide both side by 2. So our final answer here is x is equal to 1 over 2. So that is for that. So we move to this one now. This one says, this is the third law. The third law says that when your log is having a base, when your log is having a power or an exponent, what happens that the exponent moves to the front of the log and multiply the log. So let's try that now. We have log, so this 3 here comes to the front of this log, and we have log 3 log 8 to the base of 2. So the next thing we do is that we bring down this just as we did. Since this is 3 here, let's sort out from this log 8 to the base of 2. Let's sort it out first. So we have log 8 to the base of 2 equal to what? X. So we have x to the base of 2 to the base of what? X equal to 8. And we reduce this 8 to the base of 2 so that these two can be the same thing, just as we did here. So we have 2 to the power of x equal to 2 to the power of 3. When we say 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 places will give us 8. So this and this are the same. So what do we have here? Your x is equal to 3. So this log now give us 3. So we bring this 3 now. We say 3 times what? Times this times the x here, what the log gives to us, that's 3. That's our answer is 9. So that is how to go about this. So let's solve more questions. Right, so question 4 and question 5. Now this question 4 support the law that says power of the base, or what support the law of power of the base. The law of power of the base tells us that when we have log 16 to the base of 2 to the power of what? Base of 2 to the power of what? 3. That means if you look at this one very well, the raised to power, the power is on the what? On the base. So what happens here? This power that is on the base now, we will do what we call reciprocate. We replicate. If we replicate it, then 3 here will become 1 over 3. That means, get it right, when we say the reciprocate of, when you reciprocate 3, literally when we have 3, there is 1 under it, which is same thing. 3 divided by 1 still giving you 3. So the reciprocate of 3 is what? Is 1 over 3. The reciprocate of 2 is 1 over 2. So that's what I mean. So that's what we're going to do here now by saying, so the reciprocate of 3 here becomes 1 over 3 log, and that 1 over 3 comes to the front of the log. You get it now? So once the 1 over 3 comes to the front of the log, you have 1 over 3 log 16 to the base of 2. So that has been sorted out. So you leave this one side, you come and solve for this log 16 to the base of 2, and that gives you that's equal to x. So you say 2 to the base of x equal to 16. So 2 to the base of x equal to, reduce this 16 to have the same, to be equal 2 here, just to the same base. So we have 2 to the base of 4. 2 in 4 places, when you multiply them, will give you what? 16. So you have this and this gone. So what we have here now, your x equal to 4. So multiply this 4 by this 1 over 3. So you have 1 over 3 times what? Times 4. That's giving you 4 over 3. So that's the answer for that. Next one here, we have that's 5. Good. Log 1 to the base of 10. What do you do here? You just say, very simple, you say equal to x, right? So that is giving you 10 to the base of x to the power of x, and you drop the 1 here. Now remember that what gave us this one is the fact that in indices we are told that whatever that is raised to power 0 is 1. So we're going to import that kind of indices law here by saying 10 to the power of x equal to what? 10 to the power of 0. So that means this and this has gone. So we have x equal to what? 0. You can see this. That's why we're saying when we have we have log 1 to any of the base is equal to what? To 0. That is for that. So let's move and solve more question. This one here says when you have log 8 to the base of 4, and it happens that you want to kind of reciprocate this log, what do? Then the log and the base will interchange. That means the base will become the number, the log, and the log will become the base. So we have it to be, that means it's going to be 1 over log 4 to the base of 8. So when you have something like this, we have it to be that's equal to, so we are going to sort out for this separately. sorting out for this separately will give you log 4 to the base of 8 equal to x. So you have that's 8 to the base of x equal to 4. So reduce it to the smallest number at which you can reduce both of them to become in the same base is what? Is 2. So we have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x outside and 2 to the power of 2. So that's 2 to the power of 3 x equal to 2 to the power of 2. By the time you this and this gone, so we're having what left? We're having 3x equal to what? 2. Divide both sides by what? By 3. So what is left now? You're having x. Your answer here is x equal to 2 over what? Over 3. So don't forget you are having what here now? You have 1 here. So then you come and implement that by saying 1 over what? Over 2 over 3. So this is literally this already a fraction. So we say 1 over 1 divided by 2 over 3. Division becomes what? Multiplication in fraction. That is 3 over 2. So your final answer here is 3 over 2. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 2, 2. So that's for that. Let's move to this question 7. Correct. Now this one now, what do we do here? If you look at this base, you look at the log, they are not correlating because you can't reduce this 8 to the base of this 8 here, the log to the base of this 3. It's impossible. So because of that, we are going to do what we call change of base. Do change of base. That means the log itself will form another log with a default base, and the base will form another log with a default base, and the default base of all log written is base 10. So we have it, that is that's log 8 to base 10 over log what? Log 3 to base 10. So with this now, what do? You find the log of 8, and the log of 8 from your calculator. From calculator, the log of 8 is 0.9031, and log of 3 is 0.4771. So therefore, when you divide them, dividing them will give you equal to, use your calculator, that's giving you this answer. So that's how to come about all this log question. Thank you very much. I believe you found value in this video. If you do, don't hesitate to hit on the subscribe button and follow us on Facebook. You can, so you don't miss any other video. And thank you very much. If you have any question on this, don't hesitate to drop your comments in the comment section below. More questions. We are still solving questions on logarithm. We're still going to dig deeper into logarithm because logarithm is kind of broad. So thank you very much. Nice having you here.